Hello YouTube, and today I'll show you guys how to download the Minecraft Bukkit server package for Minecraft. Alright, so first things first, you're going to need the pre-built package by me. To get this, just copy and paste this link. It's in the annotation and in the description. Hit Control V, hit enter, and it's going to download really fast. Then you're going to want to hit open, show in folder, and drag this over to your desktop. I can close this now, I don't need that. Create a new folder called mc-server, drag that zip file into it, and then you're going to extract it here. Alright, we can delete that zip file, we can double click that folder, copy, and paste that stuff into here. As you can see, it looks like pretty much like the default Minecraft server package besides the plugins folder here. Then you're going to want to go and hit your start menu and type in CMD to turn on your, or to execute your command prompt. Then type in ipconfig. Then you're going to want to find your IPv4 address, which is right here. In my case, it's 192.168.1.5. So open up your server.properties file, right click it and hit open with, and then select your favorite text editor. And let me just expand this here. And then the server IP address is going to be 192.168.1.5 in my case, but the server IP address is going to be your IPv4 address. Alright. Then go up to file and save it out, and then if you want to change the port number, if animals are to respond or monsters, whatever, you can do it all here. So save it out, close it. Make note of your default gateway IP address, because we're going to have to access that now to make this accessible to the world. Right now it's only accessible to you, your local computers. So to access your default gateway, just type in your default gateway into your browser and hit enter. And then you're going to need to type in your password and username. If you need a list of default passwords for your routers, just type in on Google default router passwords. And this is my favorite list right here. Actually, that's not it. Where is it? Let's see, is this it? Yeah, this one's it. This is my favorite list of default password and usernames for all these different routers. It goes by brand. I think it's not. Yeah, it's alphabetical. And so yeah, you can go to that website if you don't know your credentials here. So in my case, that's what mine is. Then you're going to want to go down to advanced and then port forwarding / port triggering. Now this may be a different setup depending on your router brand. Netgear is pretty much the same. So to this left panel here, you go down to where it says advanced. Now it might be horizontal and not vertical, the menu setup, so just look for it. And sometimes it's even under a subcategory. So maybe, let's say, it could be under like wireless settings or something. You know, you just have to look around. So let me delete this one here. And then you're going to want to click add custom service. Give it a name, it doesn't really matter, just something that you can identify it with, so you know that's a Minecraft server. And then you're going to type in the port that your server is going to be running on. So to see that, open up your server.properties file, and then you see the server port is 25565 in our case. So we're going to put that in here, and then we're going to put it in here too. And then our IPv4 address is going to go here. Hit apply. And again, if you don't know your IPv4 address, you can type ipconfig, and you can view it right here. So close that, and you're all set. So let me close that browser. You double click this folder, and you're going to click the start _ server batch file, not this one, this one. Got it? Alright, so double click it, and it's starting the region. Now when it's first preparing everything, it's going to take a while. It shouldn't take this long next time you run the server, just the very first time. So I'm going to close that. And as always, I'm going to prove that it works after it's done preparing the spawn area. Also, I am running a 24/7 server, so it means that it's on all the time, a Minecraft server. The IP address is, give me a second here. Honestly, I don't know it myself. It's just kind of sad, but whatever. See my IP. Alright. My IP address is that, so you can connect with that, :25565. Alright, so the server's done preparing itself. So let's open up a Minecraft client. This is a server, and this right here is a client. So hit login. And because you're hosting it, you're going to log in with your IPv4 address. From people from the outside world, they're going to log in with your internet IP address, which I just showed you. So go to cmyip.com or .net, whatever, and go get it, and then give that to the people you want to let connect to your server. So as you can see, it's working. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. Remember, if you have any questions, go to sn50.com. Thanks for watching. See you later.